Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to order personalized Crocs online. If you don't have a Crocs account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on My Account. On the drop-down list, you will see a Sign In/Register button. Click on the Sign In/Register button. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, you will see an option for custom orders. Click on Custom Orders. Now, fill out the provided form. Enter all the necessary information. Then select a design. After entering all the required information, click on the Submit Custom Request button. Then the Crocs team will contact you for more information within 1 to 3 business days. That's how you order personalized Crocs online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.